Keychron K7, a compact 65% layout ultra-slim wireless mechanical keyboard built for peak productivity and a great tactile typing experience. K7 give you access to all the essential multimedia and function keys through a combination of key presses whenever you need it. Be ready to multitask without missing a beat by connecting the K7 with up to 3 devices via the stable Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 chipset and switch between your laptop, PC, tablet, and phone seamlessly. With a unique Mac layout, the K7 has all the necessary Mac multimedia keys while still being compatible with Windows. Extra keycaps for both Windows and Mac operating systems are included. The redesigned low-profile Gateron mechanical switch is 40% slimmer than conventional switches with a shorter pre-travel and total travel distance that triggers an input and feedback faster than conventional/normal profile mechanical switches. Together with the reinforced aluminum body, plastic bottom frame, make the K7 one of the thinnest and lightweight wireless mechanical keyboards on the market. The K7 also comes with a floating keycap design with a charming white backlight with modern keycap legends to sync with your mood. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Keychron K7, a compact 65% layout ultra-slim wireless mechanical keyboard built for peak productivity and a great tactile typing experience.